Today we're going to be installing the official screen protector for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 5. So this is Samsung's official screen protector for the Fold 5. It is a film screen protector that only protects the outside screen, so it won't actually provide any protection to the delicate inside display. So in the box, you'll get 2 film screen protectors, an installation jig, a couple of dust removal stickers, a microfiber cloth, and a squeegee. They also include instructions, but let's be honest, who wants to read? Now to start with, make sure that you've wiped the surface that you're going to place the fold on. This is because you've got to open the fold up and place it face down on that surface. First up, grab that installation jig and remove the protective plastic. This will expose the adhesive underneath. Then place it on the bottom right-hand corner of the Fold 5. Push it in, making sure it's nice and secured to your Fold 5. Next up, grab your microfiber cloth and clean the front screen. Now, grab one of your dust removal stickers and dab it onto the display, removing any signs of dust. Next up, grab one of the film screen protectors and remove the part that says 1. Now, turn the film screen protector around and line it up with the bottom installation jig. Once you've done this, place the screen protector down and rub over the part that you've just exposed. This will start to secure this section to the phone. Next up, grab your squeegee, place it about halfway down the phone, then grab the top tab from the screen protector and pull it towards you. Then bend it back while pushing the squeegee up the device. This will remove the protective backing and secure the screen protector to the phone without any bubbles underneath. Now repeat this on the other side, but before that, remove the installation jig. I find it easier to turn the phone around and repeat the same process again. Now you've done this, you can remove the outer protective layer. And there you go. Perfectly installed film screen protector for the outer display. If you've enjoyed this video, remember to like and subscribe, and to check out more Z Fold 5 content, check out the links up here.